So, future nursing students, dental hygienists, future health workers that are going to help us in the future. We're going to go over the Ready for the HESI Reading Comprehension Study Guide for the HESI A2 Exam. Okay, so let's zoom out of here a little bit. And this is the first page of the actual study guide. And in the first page, you'll see the bullet points that offers what is actually inside the study guide. So one of the things that we do is we're going to cover the 5 main topics that the reading comprehension exam tests you over. And one of those is main idea. So we go into detail explaining what the main idea is, what is the purpose, how can you identify the main idea, what are the supporting details. So we go really into depth and try to explain you so you understand how to find the main idea. Another very important topic that some students struggle with is author's tone. And we go into detail. We explain what is the author's tone, what is its purpose, why is it important. So we write out ways for you to kind of get clues on what the tone is of the passage is. And another very important part that our study guide offers is worksheets. So this particular one will be on meaning of words. So that means there's probably a word within the story that means something. It can be a metaphor, an idiom, but it can also just mean a word that you're not sure of what it is, what the meaning is. So we give you helpful hints on how to get clues and how to identify the answer, even if you have no idea what the word means. Here's more pages, more practice, more worksheets. This is an example of our practice questions. These are actual HESI A2 practice questions. So we give you an entire story because this is what you'll see in the actual HESI exam when you go and take it in real life. You'll see a passage and then a series of questions about that passage. Reading comprehension questions. And those reading comprehension questions include main idea, meaning of word, logical inference, author's tone, so that kind of thing. So we're going to test you over those topics in relation to the story to see if you understand it. And of course, you can always go back to the other pages if you're still not getting it. Kind of need to reread and practice and review those main reading comprehension topics. And then of course we give you the answer key, and we don't just give you an answer key, right? We don't just say, hey, number 1 is D. No, we go very depth. We go into detail why the answer is what it is, not just D. Why is it D? What around that story you could have found to find the answer. So we really want you to kind of think about it, critically think about it, because if you're able to answer one question and you know how to answer, you'll be really good at being able to answer other questions and kind of use clues and context clues to know how to answer questions you might not be sure of. So it's really important to understand basics and the foundation of the reading comprehension topics, which again is main idea, meaning of word, logical inference, and author's tone. So we cover a ton of that. And actually, if you go to our website right now, readyforthehesi.org, you can get a free HESI practice test, and it will include actual practice test questions from this study guide. It's just a sample, but it's a kind of good way to see where you're at. And just go ahead and check it out, readyforthehesi.org, and get your free practice test online. Good luck, guys!